I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Carens and your phone are ready. First, confirm the vehicle has the latest OTA firmware and your Kia Connect subscription is active. This prevents pairing errors. Once done, enable Bluetooth and mobile data on your phone and grant location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions so the app can communicate. Make sure you park, start the engine, and open the Kia Connect app. This immediately prompts the car-to-phone handshake and avoids delay as you move into pairing. You now pair and configure features step by step. In the app, tap Add Vehicle, pick Carens, and follow the on-screen Bluetooth pairing flow. When the PIN appears on both the phone and head unit, confirm to secure the link. After pairing, allow the app to sync vehicle data. This may take a minute as VIN and ECU information populate. Then enable remote features like remote start, climate scheduling, and alerts so the app can control and monitor the car in real time. You finish by testing and securing the setup. Send a test command such as lock, unlock, or remote start and watch the head unit and vehicle respond. If it works, finalize by enabling notifications, geofence, and climate presets for daily use. Make sure to save any scheduled routines. If something goes wrong, restart both your phone and the Carens head unit, recheck app permissions and firmware versions, and retry pairing. This resolves most connectivity and authentication problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.